we would like to tell you a story about the milk universe, a fundamental food all over the world. The world around the dairy industry keeps changing. Geographical areas of production, farming, milk manufacturing, types of products, distribution, sales and consumption. Historically, global milk production is concentrated in some areas which are able to fulfill milk requirements all over the world. In Europe, a quota system satisfies the consumption of the 27 countries of the European Union. New Zealand. The production is around 15 million tonnes a year for a population of 6 million inhabitants. This country is the first exporter on a worldwide scale. Australia. This country is comparable to New Zealand, but due to climate change, the amount of exported goods has decreased. India. It is the first global producer with more than 115 million tonnes of milk a year, but we have to consider its 1 billion inhabitants. However, it is a huge exporter. USA. First worldwide market for consumption. The most important areas for production are the states of Wisconsin and California. The internal production is usually utilized within the USA borders, but they are sometimes exporters. South America. Argentina, Brazil and Colombia are the biggest producers of this area. However, they are not able, in this particular moment, to play a prominent role in dairy product export. Milk production is related to and influenced by season, kind of cattle feed, cattle breed, geographical area. The socio-economic development of some particular areas will determine a new scenario. The most efficient areas will increase milk production. This growth is absolutely necessary in order to cover the needs of the poor countries and of those zones in which the consumption will rise. In the 27 countries of the European Union, the quota system will end within 2013. An efficient production will give the possibility of increasing production and exports. The following map shows the importing countries together with those areas which will increase their exports. Global milk production will grow by 56% in the next 10 years. However, it may be insufficient. A 10% deficit is possible. The importing countries will definitely have to boost their production. They will have to find new ways and solutions in order to satisfy an increasing demand for dairy products. Ingredients. The milk in the curd state, i.e. the product obtained by the simple clot of the milk, pressed, packaged and refrigerated or frozen to simplify handling. The advantages linked to this kind of production are: 1 container of curd corresponds to 10 containers of fresh milk, possibility of storage for a long period in a frozen state, decrease in the costs and simplification of the production process. The gathering of the fresh milk and the clot of the milk are not needed. Standard productiveness. High flexibility in the quantity and in the kind of production. Easy personalization of the products. Milk curd, milk proteins, butter, customized products. Plants. Plants patented technology for the curd manufacturing for the production of stretched cheeses. The pros are drop in production costs, flexibility for the possibility of using various ingredients and obtaining more products, high modularity, small spaces needed for production, batch production or continuous production, huge decrease of the water needed with consequent reduction of waste liquids. Plants for spreadable cheeses and processed cheeses. Plants for the production of stretched cheeses in order to obtain the desired shape, which can be highly personalized. Among these products we can cite the patent Perfect Pizza, ideal to achieve a thin sheet of mozzarella with fixed weight, which can be personalized in diameter and thickness. Know-how and technical assistance. The ingredients in the plants we offer can provide different solutions. we can transfer know-how and assistance for mozzarella, pizza cheeses, similar cheeses, provolone, cashcaval, customized stretched cheeses, veggie mozzarella, spreadable cheeses, grated cheeses. Marketing and food rule assistance. We would like to offer our customers our deep knowledge of the milk market. This in order to provide our customers with thorough information which will give them the possibility of scheduling the purchases and, if necessary, developing products which are more and more coherent with the various international standards. The Milk Tree would like to offer a new consideration in dairy production. It would provide raw materials and technologies in order to give the customers the possibility of creating personalized products all over the world, meeting their need in terms of quantity, quality, taste, tradition, creativity and innovation. Thank you for your kind attention.